Hello everybody, I hope everybody's having a great day today. What we're doing today is, I finally got some. This was part of my birthday present. Thanks to my hubby. So yeah, I finally got some. So let's see what I even have. If my hair's a bit of a mess, it's because it's still wet. So I'm going to have to put on my glasses. I put on my LYS Bronzer in No Limit Motivate. I have a plethora of lip glosses here waiting for me to determine what color I'm going to use. And I have my Westman Atelier highlighter in Brûlée waiting to go on my face. And of course it's going to be the last one for the Exothermic is the blush. I wanted to get a bronzer, but yeah, we all know that song and dance. Ooh. This is definitely a fall blush. Oh, and it's so emollient. Okay, I put a lot on my finger. I don't think I need this much on my face. Look at that. My hands before I go to the doctor. Okay, I can't see and I can't get my phone to speak to a monitor. It's not the most expensive camera. It's just a DSLR itty bitty little thing. It works. That's what matters. So let's, oh boy. Yeah, I just did 2 taps and it takes a lot. Okay, let's. Yeah, this is going to be a put it on your hand kind of blush. Thank you, Shelby Wilson, for teaching me that trick, because otherwise I'm going to be panicking and trying to get it off my face a little toned down. But man, I hope you guys can see the color of this, because it is absolutely phenomenal. It is beautiful. Oh man, oh man, oh man. This is the first time I've picked an amazing blush color. I'm so bad. Alright, so it's gonna have to stick around here for me to try it a few more times, because I need to. Now, I have 3 colors. Let's get into this. The first one, Chilled Cherry. Ooh, that's pretty. Okay. And then I've got a Deeply Rooted. Okay, this one's harder. It's almost like it's older. Oh, man. Okay, maybe not today. I don't feel that one today. And then I've got Pewtered Pine. Okay, so Chilled Cherry, Deeply Rooted, and Pewtered Pine. I can't see a thing. I think I'm gonna go with Chilled Cherry. Actually, I think it's cardboard recycling this week, so that's timely. Okay, let us go with my Miniso that I love to use for my cream shadows. Let's see what happens. Giving myself 10-15 more minutes for this, because I want to sit down on the bed and chill out before I need to go. Okay, it's beautiful, but it's not as in your face as I thought it was going to be, and I'm sure you guys already know by now, I like in your face. But I'm okay with this. Oh man, that is, I hope you guys are getting the effect of this, because it is quite beautiful. It really, really is. And even though I have crinkly eyelids, it's not, how do I say this? It's not emphasizing the crinkles. It's not taking them away, but it's not emphasizing them. I was thinking of putting an eyeliner on, but you know what? I don't think I will. I think I will let the eyeshadow stand alone to soften that line a teeny tiny bit. Personally, I don't mind it, but gotta remember I'm a child of the 80s where everything was pretty harsh. Phytosurgence is beautiful. It really is. It's almost making my hoods less hoodie. Ah, good grief. Okay. Exfoliate. Exfoliate. It is beautiful. The only thing that kind of ticked me off is that it took a while, but they are a small operation, so I will give them that. Now, I have no idea. Okay, I'm not going to use my Merit. That's a no. I was thinking of my Wayne Goss, but that's a no. So it is between these three. So I will keep that in mind. Eyeliners, no. Highlighter in Brilliance. It might be a little orangey. My Dior pink one. I won't even bother with the nose. And now, be back. I'm back. Okay, I did, for the sake of time, speaking of time, and I have an eyelash. Okay, for the sake of time, I did use my Essence in Just Perfect, my lip liner. Now it's a matter of which color and there we go, L'Oreal in number 100 Mademoiselle Mauve. I had this for like 3-4 months, maybe longer, before I figured out that the color name was on the top. Oops. There we go, a nice quick makeup look. If okay, I think my ZC concealer needs to go, because every time I use it now I get a lot of pilling and it's going into my creases the way it never used to. It's almost done. I'm pretty sure it's almost done, be that as it may. As I was saying, if I was not going to film this look, I do believe 15-20 minutes, my hair's still wet, 15-20 minutes I would have been done with everything. That's why I love these, and it's so brainless. For somebody like me who has shaky hands, no artistic ability, perfect, boom, done. And I am going to check to see how well the color lasts. It's still emollient, Yeah, it's still emollient on my hand. The shadows, barely moving, but just a smidge. But it's not even been 10 minutes. So you might see something after I finish talking. As you can tell, it's just about time to take my face off. But before I do that, I wanted to go over my face and what I put on, essentially the blush and the eyeshadow. So the blush in, I'll put it down. I've taken my meds, so I'm really out of it. So this beautiful color, I did wear a mask because I went to the doctor's office and they recommend wearing masks. Now this side kind of faded a little bit. I mean, the bronzer faded a whole lot more. And this side, the color is still fairly well saturated. But again, the bronzer, the LYS bronzer faded more. Now, if you see the eyes, I don't know if you can see that, but to me, it did not crease. The color faded a bit, a teeny tiny bit, but it looks good. It still looks really, really good. I am impressed. Even my creasy concealer is not too bad considering how late it is and how tired I am. So I have so much to do. It's one of those catch-22s. I have so much to do, but I have so much to do. Thank you, everybody. But if not, thank you once again for coming to visit. Please leave me a comment, like my video, and subscribe to my channel. À bientôt.